Today I'm gonna be going over the entire check-in process and showing you how long it takes to get a car ready for the check-in and what you want to do in preparation for the check-in and everything. And the person's coming to pick up the car, which is my favorite because it requires the least amount of work. You don't get to maximize on the delivery fees, but how much time you put into getting the car ready and how much time it actually takes for the guest to come pick it up. This is my favorite situation. So this person actually booked this car this morning. I decided I'll take this opportunity to record and show y'all how I do my check-ins. So I'll go over everything right now. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have the car ready and clean. It is a service that people are paying for, and you want to make sure that you get a good review to keep the business coming. As you can see, the car is clean, inside and out. Completely clean car, smell good, drive good. The next thing you want to do is take all your photos. You want to take anywhere from 10 to 20 detailed photos for insurance purposes. So I'll do that now. And what you do, I'll show you, is you just kind of go around and get every angle. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and what I usually do is get the wheels too. This car has a few little curb rashes, but if it comes back with anything crazy wrong, I put in a damage claim. Another photo, 14, 15. You want to take pictures of the inside of the car's condition. As you can see, it's pretty much spotless. Document that as well. And here's my guest coming right here. When he comes, I'll check his license and I'll make sure that he understands my guidelines as far as which gas to put in. This car only takes 91 premium gas. Take a picture of the mileage, capture the gas level. And then make sure you get his license. That's the first and foremost thing. Check the license first. All right, so the car's dropped off. Everything is completed. Very cool guy, nice guest. He was pretty knowledgeable on the car, so I don't feel nervous about anything. Most time it took was about 10 minutes. I promise you, that's it. It doesn't take any time at all. It is not a passive income, so I will say that first. It is work to do it. You have to get the car ready, you have to clean up and stuff like that, but after that, 10 minutes. I checked his license, that's the first thing. If they don't have a valid driver's license, do not give them your car. Check the license, that's the very first thing. I explained to him the gas. The car only takes 91 premium gas. He was okay with that. He understands to leave the gas receipt to confirm that it is 91 premium gas. And he knows where to bring the car back at the end of the trip tonight. It's a day trip. He's only going for the day. He'll have the car for about 8 hours and he'll bring it back. And that's pretty much it, about 10 minutes worth of work. All right, as you can see, the car has been returned. There's the guests leaving. All right, as you can see, the car has been returned. To end the trip, now that it's back, to end the trip, you do a quick walk around. Make sure nothing is wrong. All right, so to end the trip, you come in and take a picture of the odometer, take a picture of the mileage. Obviously, none of those lights are on. That's just because the car was off. But take a picture of the odometer, make sure the gas is back at the same level they brought the car in. Car getting up there, 40,000 miles now. You finish your walkthrough. Make sure she's straight. Check her out right there. Boom. She all good. She all good. And that's it. The renter just left. He was actually treating this as a test drive. He's thinking about buying a Jaguar F-Type, and he wanted longer than what they offer you for the test drive. So that's what today was for him. I made money. He got to know for sure that he wants an F-Type. He asked a few questions about Turo. That actually kind of happens often now, because they see that we have over 800 trips, hundreds of reviews. Simple. So overall, of actual real time, it took about 6 hours. Actual work time, it was about 10 minutes max. That's it. 10 minutes max. That's including conversation, taking pictures, wiping down the car, giving them the keys, explaining the guidelines. Then again, returning the car, doing a walk around, taking a picture of the end odometer, and yeah, everything. And talking to y'all, even talking to y'all. I'm under 10 minutes. And that's it, man. It's easy. Everybody can make this money and drive the cars that they want.